Texas this evening. I'm going to show you the new Solo kit from VentCap Systems. We are using the pole rat remote attachment tool for VentCap Systems for my reusable patented supply seals. And I forgot my pole at home, and thankfully there's a pool cleaning pole out here. And the pole rat was made to go on any standard painter's pole, mop handle, or pool cleaning equipment. Over here as well, I've got the Solo by Retrotec, little cute manometer that fits in the back of your pocket. A lot easier to carry around, and of course Retrotec has wonderful color-coded stuff to keep it easy even for me. Blue goes in the blue. You'll never guess where the red goes, that's right. And you'll see the other side, we've got to my single vent cap with a 1/4-inch barbed adapter. So you put your reference hose on that normally. And for this case too, you'll put it on, and we've got our pole rat. Put the string through the notch side, and this just snaps on like so. Here's one here, no ladder. And I don't know if you can see that, we're at 42 and a half, 45, something like that. And then the next one is 23, 24. So that's where I'm going to start looking, see if there's a crushed line or maybe a hole. It's pretty close. The AC is all the way on the other side of this house, single story, about 3,200 square feet, so it might be a little lower on the end, but not that low.